Hello, this is John Braun with Hitman Advertising. We're going to talk about how to love your cleaning clients so that they never leave you. Your clients are the most important part of your business, and in the cleaning industry, this is 5 times more true. Once your client uses you, you really depend on them using you again and again and again. And if they don't, honestly, you're going to go out of business. But the problem is your clients are busy, so you need to take the time to make sure you let them know that you love them and that you care about them. And February is the perfect time to do that. Talking about the conversation already going on in their mind, which is Valentine's Day, tying in with that, and marketing to them in that fashion. There's a man by the name of Girard. He's actually in the Guinness Book of World Records as the greatest salesman ever. And what his main key marketing tactic was marketing to everybody that had either talked to him about buying a car, who had bought a car from him, mailing them something in the mail every month based on the season, based on the time of the year, letting them know that he liked them. And in this case, it's February and Valentine's Day, so it's a perfect time to take that a step further and let your clients know that you love them. So there are some important things that happen when you actually communicate with your clients and let them know that you care about them. One, they'll never use anyone else because they're more connected to you. How are they going to use somebody else when you constantly let them know that you love them, that you care about them, and that you're there for them? They're not. 2, they're going to be more apt to refer you in the spring, or perhaps even now in the middle of winter. They're more apt to refer you when you're communicating with them and when you're showing them some love. 3, they're going to feel better about spending more money with you when the time comes for them to call you back into their home, because that connection is greater and bigger between you and their company. Now, the things, a lot of guys will say, hey, well, I mail out reminder postcards every 12 months. Well, if 12 months goes by, the relationship has dwindled by then. So doing this continuously is the key to keeping a healthy relationship with your clients. Now, the thing is, there's more to it than just your clients. And see, this is something that's hardly talked about, but when you show your clients love and care, you're also showing some prospects that they should use you based on the way that you love and you care about your clients. So here's what some of your prospects are going to think. Surrounding neighborhoods are going to see the love that you have for your clients, and they're going to want to use you, especially when you go and you do a neighborhood mailing to some of the key neighborhoods that you clean in all the time, and you show testimonials, or you show that you've already been in that neighborhood and you show how other people love you. They're going to see that, and it's going to make them want to use you as well. Online users are going to see what you're doing on Facebook and YouTube and in email newsletters. They're going to see some of that stuff and how you care about your clients, and they're going to want to use you as well. Realtors, flooring retailers, interior designers, and especially other business people. This is important, especially these people that I'm mentioning here that can refer you to their clients. They're going to see some of this stuff as well online. And also, one huge thing that I recommend that you do, that if you do client newsletters and postcard, which I highly recommend that you do, give the extra ones of those, either mail them to the real estate offices, the retailers, the interior designers, mail to them as well, put them on your mailing list, but also we go by and drop off stacks of those same postcards of the extras to give to the other realtors just to have them floating around the office. Now, here's what that does. See, Bubba, the cleaning company owner, doesn't do stuff like this. He doesn't take the time to create professionally created graphics and postcards and give them to his clients. And when you do that, you're showing these realtors and these flooring retailers and these people that you want referring you, you're showing them that you love your clients. And that's going to make them want to use you and refer you to their clients as well. So let's look at some examples on how you can do some of this stuff. This is a Valentine's Day postcard. Surprise, surprise. It's a larger postcard. It's actually a 6-inch by 11-inch postcard, and it's got a subject, in this case about carpet cleaning and about carpet, that's pretty familiar. A lot of people that get carpet get really dissuaded about the whole idea of carpet sometimes a few years after they have it. Well, here we're going to go ahead and talk about that elephant in the room and let them know that yes, there is a drama, hate, and love relationship. There are mistakes that you can make, but we're here to help you alleviate those mistakes and even help you with your relationship with your carpet. We want to help you love your carpet again. And so we have this kind of soap opera drama. It's perfect for the month of February, and it's letting them know that we are the answer to helping them fall in love with their carpet again. Now, we can print these postcards actually for our members. Again, this is a 6 by 11 inch postcard. This can be mailed two different ways, either to your current clients. This is one of the ones that can be mailed either as a client postcard or an EDDM neighborhood postcard where we canvas an entire neighborhood. But generally, we print about 1,000 of these for around $130. These are full color, thick, glossy, nice, beautiful postcards. The postage on these, if you use our printer, is about 27 cents per piece. Or if you use a bulk mail permit, that's about 27 cents per piece. Or if you're mailing them EDDM, which is mailing them to an entire neighborhood, an entire mail route, it's 17.5 cents for postage. So you can mail this large, huge postcard for, after all said and done, somewhere sometimes in the 40 cents range. We even have programs where we can actually label these for you and do all that for you. We won't get into that right now. If you're interested in that, just let me know. But in a nutshell, 40-ish cents, sometimes a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on how many that you're sending. You can actually mail to your current clients completely, or even less than that. You can target an entire neighborhood for even around 23 or 24 cents per postcard, per house. Target an entire neighborhood. And on the other side of this postcard, we simply wish them a happy Valentine's Day, let them know that we love them, and here's your gift. We give two special gifts, two special different offers. Now, we won't get into the specifics of what. I will tell you that if it's winter time, we like to give gifts that are a little bit better and offers that are a little bit better. And again, that's for another subject. But in a nutshell, I recommend that you have some type of an offer. Doesn't matter what you do, the better the offer, the better response you're probably going to get. I also recommend that you put something in there about your referral program, which we have down here at the bottom left, and also something about an expiration date. Just don't have an open offer for whenever, but we actually have an expiration date here on this particular offer, like we do with every offer that we have. So we send this postcard again to, in this particular case, we'll print a bunch of them and even send EDDMs and also client postcards with these particular postcards. And these do really well. They catch people's attention, especially at the beginning of the month of February. So here's actually another version. This is a smaller 4x6 inch version. We usually print 1,000 of these for our clients for about $32. And with these, though, you can't send them EDDM. You can send them bulk mail, by the way, for still about 27 cents per postcard. But we can send them also first class, where you don't have to have a bulk mail permit. You can only send 100 of them if you want. But you can send them first class as well for the standard postage stamp, which, by the way, postcard stamps are going up to 35 cents. So it's going up 1 penny. But this is a smaller one, the same kind of version, just a little bit scaled down. And we also have this other version that's more of just, it looks like a Valentine, right? It's handwritten, it's got hearts all over the place, and it's just a Valentine with a special offer. And really, we even mention here that we give our very best special offers out in January and February, which we sincerely do. We outline those offers in the form of a Valentine, right? What perfect time to do that. On the other side, we flat out let them know that we love our clients and our neighbors. Dear beloved client and neighbor, happy Valentine's Day. Here are these special offers on the other side, etc., etc. Now, this is more of a client postcard, or we'll mail this to a neighborhood that we've already been marketing to quite a bit, but we wouldn't mail this as a first mailer. The other postcard I showed you might be a little bit more appropriate for a first mailer. So, but as well, not only print media, but do the same exact type of message in email newsletters. Fall in love with your carpet all over again. We give the same exact story that we just gave on the postcard. They got a postcard and they get an email newsletter. Now, every time I talk about email newsletters, I at least like to briefly mention this. I love email newsletters. They work great. They're very inexpensive to send, but it's not the end all, because a lot of your clients won't read your emails. A lot of your clients won't stay on your email newsletter list. A lot of them won't even give you their appropriate email address. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't use them. When they work great, and it's so cheap to do. Yes, do it. But don't only do this because you're going to not be mailing and not be marketing to about 80% of your clients, right? So keep that in mind as well. Make sure that it looks good on a mobile device, because a lot of people are checking their email, believe it or not, on a mobile device these days. So check that out too. What do I recommend? Aweber, Constant Contact. I've actually got some free trials for both of those, but those are very good programs to use as well. So Facebook, take the same exact message, put it on Facebook, perhaps run a Facebook ad if you wish, especially at least to the people that like your page. That way you are marketing back with the same message. So how do you hit your client? Really? You market to them in multiple ways. Don't just do email newsletters. Don't just do postcards. Don't just do Facebook. Do all of them. Go visit your carpet retailers too, and your realtors and all the people that can refer you with the same exact message. If you bother to put that message together, hit everybody with that message. Multimedia is the way that you're going to get people to remember you, and that you're going to show people, because you want to show everybody that you love your clients, not just some of your clients, not just the people on your email newsletter list, but you want to show everybody that you love your clients. As well, one of the things that we started doing is changing our Facebook timeline graphic on our business page to the special offer or to the theme of that month. In this particular case, we actually might put our logo up over here, but this is another graphic that we've got where we would let them know that we love our clients, or if we did this theme right here with the fall in love with your carpet all over again, we put that up at the top of our Facebook page as well. You could have that again with the ad, or also in addition have that with your Facebook timeline as well. But do all of these things, not just one, but all of these things, to let not only your clients but your prospects know that you love your clients. So if you put a message out like this, your clients will watch you and your prospects are going to watch you. So really start to think about what kind of talk you are creating in your business to both your prospects and your clients. When you start talking, they're going to remember you, and they're always going to call you over your competition. Again, February is a great time for this. All of the templates that we've shown you on here, all the email newsletters, postcards, online graphics, all of these are available on the Ad Club website. As well, we can help you get this stuff done. As I mentioned, we can actually help you label these postcards, get all of that done for you, printing, help you facilitate all of this. And a lot of the times, and again, it varies some, but a lot of the times on average, 45 cents per home. And that includes everything. That includes labeling, postage, printing, shipping, everything that needs to be done, as long as you're a member of my ad club. So for details on that, go to hitmanadvertising.com/coaching. And right now we've still got some very special bonuses as part of the ad club. So go check that out before they expire. Have a great February, guys, and use this time to catapult you into the spring for spring cleaning.